guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be sharing with you my Father's Day gift guide, so if you want to see that then just keep watching. So I'm a hot mess today. My strap just broke and I don't really have time to go find a whole new outfit for this video, so please excuse me, but I wanted to share with you what I got my husband for Father's Day and give you some ideas if you're looking. This video is going to go up super late, so it's going to be more like a very last minute gift guide for Father's Day 2020 because of the lockdown and quarantine and a lot of other personal things going on in my life. I'm like really last minute getting my gift and getting this video filmed and getting it up. So this is literally going to go up the day before Father's Day, so last minute for sure. I'm going to be showing you some things that I already had. My husband and I have been together for 10 years. We've been married for 6. So I feel like I have a pretty good idea of what to get him. But everyone's different. Every guy is different. Everyone's interests are different. So obviously your husband might not like any of these things if he's not interested in the same things that my husband's interested in. But some of these things can be sort of universal and some of them are just really super niche and related to his favorite hobbies and his favorite things. So with that being said, you might not like the things in this video, or you might love them, or you might love and hate some of them, but I think I've tried to cover a little bit of something for everyone. And most of this stuff you can get just about anywhere last minute. So with that being said, let's get started. I'm going to start with the most expensive thing that I got him this year. And again, a lot of people are going to dislike this video because it is a gun. My husband is a gun collector and he wanted this gun, so that's what I got him. And I'm going to have to read you the name of it because I can't remember all the details. The Mechanic TP9 SF Elite Combat Executive. I'm just going to hold it up for you real quick. It's the one that he wanted. He has a lot of guns. I'm not going to say how many because we'll be on a watch list more than likely. But he has a lot of guns. He collects them and he sells them and, you know, trades them and buys different things and works on them and all those things. And YouTube is not a fan of that. So hopefully I don't get demonetized for sharing this. Here it is. I don't want to pull it out and mess it up, but that's it. I'm gonna kind of get a close-up and I will so there's that. That's his big gift this year. And then I got lots of smaller things that are more everyday things. I pulled out some things that I got him previous years, so let me show you that. Of course, you can't go wrong with getting their favorite candy. Here's some Reese's that have already been opened. Get your man or your dad or your husband their favorite candy or snack. Again, he also loves these kinds of trail mix excuse me, trail mix kind of things. These are the Peak Mega Omega, and it's just got like seeds and dried fruit and stuff. It's like a healthy snack, and then candy, so can't go wrong with their favorite treats. Another thing that I've gotten in previous years is like this one says Rad Dad mug. I got this one at Target. This one says Best Dad Ever. Got it at Walmart. You know, over the years we've collected things. This is a picture frame for your husband's bedside table or his office desk. It says Daddy and Me, and you can put a picture of your husband and your children in there. Just like a neat little personalized gift. And a lot of times instead of buying a card, I will have my kids make him a personal card that I feel is more special than just buying a card and writing your name in it, and cheaper. So they're going to be working on that tonight. Baby on the way. This is a tactical baby gear, tactical daddy diaper bag. It's not as girly, and it's like an actual, you can use it as like a tactical little travel bag, and they have bigger ones, so I'll leave the link below. Not sponsored, but this is tactical baby gear, and you can put all your baby stuff in the little side pockets, but it's a daddy diaper bag because we have a little baby boy. Got him some K-cups so he can have some coffee, because what daddy doesn't need some coffee before work. And I have to say, like, there's a lot of stuff here. I really want to spoil him because my husband, if you know him, he is the one of the most generous, kind, thoughtful men I've ever met, and he deserves it all. He does. He's been a stepdad, a bio dad, a foster dad. He is a great friend, a great husband, brother, all that. He's incredible, one of the most incredible humans I've ever met in my life. So he deserves the world. Even though I can't give it to him, I'm gonna do my best. Another great thing, if you're on a budget, you can clean out his car, clean his house, clean his room, rub his back, give him a pedicure, cook him a really nice meal or his favorite meal, take him out to eat somewhere that you can afford. Those are all other great gift ideas that I plan on incorporating this whole weekend as well. So, here's another gift that would go with the gun, which he already has these things, but I figured I would just show you ladies if you don't know. If you shoot guns or go watch racing, he loves racing and watching drag racing, you need some earmuffs because it's loud. So some good earmuffs for those kinds of sports and hobbies. It's a Bowie toothbrush. It's a really nice toothbrush. I'll leave it linked below. It's embedded with silver, like colloidal silver if you're into that kind of thing. I'll leave it linked below. You can change out the heads and even get a monthly subscription to these toothbrush heads, and then just a nice brand new his own toothpaste, so you're not fighting over the toothpaste too. And more candy that he likes. The thing you can't go wrong with are things that he needs every day. Deodorant. This one is by American Providence. These are natural deodorants. This one's fire pits and flannels, horseshoes and hand grenades, spearmints. He had several others, but I think he's used those up, but it came in like a 5-pack. And these smell amazing. They're like essential oil based, but they're manly scents. And they're all natural. Did I say that 3 times? I don't know. But I'm a fan of all natural. And Everyman Jack, that's a good brand. More natural, aluminum free. Their brand I like, Bulldog. They have deodorants, shave gel, face wash, face lotion, and Everyman Jack face lotion. Can't go wrong with their favorite cologne. This is Vince Camuto, and this is an oldie but a goodie, but Curve. I mean, there's something in here that really turns me on. I don't know, but it smells amazing. Cheap. That one's cheap. Some watches. I didn't get him this one. I think his mother got him this one, or his stepmom and dad got him this one. It's a smartwatch. This is just a regular Lucky brand watch, I believe, that I got him. Or no, this is Fossil. This is a Fossil watch that I got him a few years ago. And then this is a smartwatch, a Samsung smartwatch. So if your man wears a watch, most men need razors and shavers, so you can't go wrong with those. Maybe spend a little extra on a newer, nicer one. I don't know if it's in your budget, or just get what you can afford. It's the thought that counts, right? More cologne. Body washes. Here's Method Juniper and Sage. This one's Burt's Bees Natural Skincare for Men body wash. Ball wash. I'll leave it linked below. It's a charcoal, activated charcoal ball wash. It's a body wash, but it's like supposed to be funny. Anyway, it's like a men's brand. I'll link below. This one up, this is Beard Society 5-in-1 hair and body wash for all hair and skin types. And it says gentlemen only. I don't know if this one is all natural. It doesn't look like it, but it's fine. He doesn't care about that stuff, just me. So got him a few things for his office desk. Like I said, the picture frame, this little desk organizer, and a cute little plant for his desk. I'm gonna go clean up his office upstairs, and if I could ever get a key to his office at work, I'd like to go clean it and decorate it and make it look nice at some point too. Like a little organic chapstick that I got him a few of these. This is the Dr. Bronner's. This one's orange ginger. The other one's like a peppermint. What guy doesn't need a wallet? His mom actually gets him these every Christmas and birthday, so I never have to buy these, but we had some extras in our closet and I thought I would throw them in here. But if he needs a new wallet, which most guys do, here you go. This one is Exact Fit Carry Solutions, and this one is a Perry Ellis, so whatever's in your price range, you know. If you're like my husband, he orders t-shirts that he likes online, so he has a ton of t-shirts, but he never has like any nice formal clothes, or he has them, but it's the ones he's had for years, so I'm the one who has to go shop for those. So I did pick him up some short sleeved and some long sleeved polos. today, and I picked him up some new shorts for the summer. I got some jeans and I got some blue Volcom, you know, whatever style your husband or father or boyfriend, fiance, you know, partner, whatever they're into, do that. I picked what I thought my husband would like. I still might be wrong, but if not, he can take it back. If it doesn't fit, keep the receipt in case it doesn't fit. Here I got this little Therawell Reflexology foot mat to help his foot pain because he wears work boots all day, and I thought this might help him out. A little self-care, if you will. Also we got this Pure Wave massager up here. I will link it below. Any kind of massager, or if you can give him a massage, everybody wants a massage. Am I right? I'm right. Can't go wrong with a massage, no matter which way you get it or give it. Next, I got him some new dress shoes because he never seems to have the right dress shoes. I got him these dress shoes. Again, keep the receipt in case they don't fit or he doesn't like them. These are just some Nautica dress shoes that I got at Marshall's. Most of these things I got at Marshall's. Obviously not everything, but a lot of this stuff came from Marshall's, so yeah. And then the last thing I got for him were some new pillows. We are suckers for trying new pillows, and we can never seem to find the right one, and then we'll find it and it starts to get flat and uncomfortable, so we just kind of like to cycle through our pillows and refresh them. And I like to get him new pillows whenever he starts to complain, like, where's all our pillows going, or where's the good pillows, you know. So that is everything that I've gotten him in the past and some of the things I got him this year. I almost forgot a few things. Quelo, if your husband does any type of sports or working with his hands, his wedding band could get ripped off. So I would highly recommend getting something from Quelo, like a silicone wedding band, for him to wear while he's working or doing his favorite hobbies, so his finger doesn't literally get ripped off. You can look it up, but yeah, I love all of the things that we've gotten from Quelo. He's actually wearing his now, I think, so can't show you the ring, but just look up Quelo. I'll leave them linked below. My husband also really enjoys flying drones, like racing drones, not just like pretty, you know, video and picture shot drones, but actual racing drones. So if your man is into that, I don't know anything about them, so usually if he wants that, I'll just like ask him what he wants and send me a link to order it rather than trying to figure it out on my own, because usually he is really smart about his hobbies. He knows every detail about the things he's interested in, so I would definitely order the wrong thing. So just ask them, hey, what is something that you've really been wanting, if you want to really splurge on a nice gift for them, and let them send it to you and get that. It doesn't always have to be a surprise. So anyway, just my 2 cents. This is a little willow tree figurine. If you have a baby on the way, this would be a cute gift idea as well. Another great Father's Day gift is a grill. What is this one? Blackstone flat top hibachi grill. Let's be whipping it up on this thing. Chefing it up. Yeah, comment below on your favorite things in this video or any other suggestions that you have. I would suggest tickets to a sporting event he likes. My husband likes racing, like drag racing, but he likes to participate. So you can take him to an event. But with the virus, everything's so weird right now, so it's kind of hard to buy tickets to events that you don't know may or not be happening because of possible second wave talk. So yeah, it's just a really strange time. So I would stick with material things, or, you know, service to him, cooking, cleaning, massaging, those types of gifts right now until we figure out this new normal. But yeah, you could always get them tickets to their favorite things, favorite shows, favorite places, if they're into comedy, or, you know, trying different restaurants, gift cards, you name it. There are so many ideas, but I just wanted to show you a few of the things that I've done over the years. So anyway, I appreciate you so much for watching this. I know it's really last minute, so if you're shopping last minute, I'm so sorry because that's never fun. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to be updated each time that I upload. And I appreciate you all so much, and I hope if there's any fathers watching this, happy Father's Day, and thank you for all that you do for your family and children. It really makes the world a better place. You know, good fathers really make the world a better place. So, and if my husband is watching this, I love you, baby, and I thank you, and I appreciate all that you do for us, and I hope you know how much we love you. Anyway, I'll talk to you soon. God bless you all. Bye.